Welcome to 191 Wyckoff Way West in the age-restricted community, well-established community of the Club in East Brunswick, New Jersey. Conveniently located near shopping, transportation, Route 18. You have New York City buses not far. And Route 18 gives you great access down to the Jersey Shore. You could be in Asbury Park in about 45 minutes from here. As stated, this is a very well established community, very well maintained. It was originally a Hovnanian development, and those communities always have held their value and their appeal. Looks like a younger roof with the timberline shingles for extra life. Nice brick front, all on one level. This unit has 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. We'll take a step inside. And this is a HUD-owned property. Once again, that means it has special opportunities for owner-occupants before investors. 30 full marketing days, only owner-occupant bidding. And this also offers FHA financing with just $100 down. And that includes 203K financing, which would be an ideal, perfect fit for this home. You can upgrade the cabinets and kitchen. Put some new flooring in. Add custom decorations, recessed lighting, whatever you choose. Very spacious, open floor plan. This can actually be opened up for more of an open area. This is your formal dining room off of the kitchen. Nice large living room, beautiful skylights. You do have central air. The heat is individually controlled by rooms. Electric heat. A nice storage closet here. Built-in shelving. Very private backyard. You have a Carrier air conditioning unit, which is a good quality, lasts a long time. As you can see, very nice, quiet, peaceful. You can put decks or paver patio, as some of the other owners have done here. There's your skylights again. Nice neutral decor, easy to modernize. Washer and dryer. Nice bedroom here. Looks to be a little mold issue here that can be easily dealt with the 203K. Private full bath, stand-up shower. This can be easily modernized as well. And you have a nice little walk-in closet here. Second bathroom, sink, toilet, tub shower. This has the handicap accessible. handles another second bedroom. And that's pretty much the tour.